welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. I am super pumped. As you guys know, we hit 2,000 subscribers. Yay! So I do have a link down below. If you have not already entered the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, please do so. It does end on May 15th. And if you are new, consider hitting subscribe. We do tons of unboxings and have all kinds of fun here, so we'd love to have you join our family. Also, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you. How was your day? What do you think of the unboxing? As you can see from the description, today we are unboxing one of the April 2019 Target beauty boxes. I love these boxes. Now, these are not a subscription. These you actually go in sometimes the first, sometimes the second Monday of the month. They will release their beauty boxes, and they have actually started having some in store. This was one of the ones online only, and what I really like is it's $7. That's it. Free shipping. Awesome. But you know what's coming, so you can decide if you want to get, if sometimes they have one box, sometimes they have multiple. This month they did have 2 boxes. This was really the only one that intrigued me, so I picked it up because I knew I would not use the items in the other box. So we're going to get into this Target April 2019 beauty box and see what it's about. I'm excited. But again, yes, don't forget to enter the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, and thumbs up, comment, and subscribe would be greatly appreciated. So again, Target April 2019 beauty box. I'm a mess today, like most. So we take it off. Oh, how fitting. April showers. So here we have the card, and as always, they do have, now they've actually put it into their app rather than the actual coupon, but you can get a $3 off a beauty purchase coupon, which is awesome. So, April showers. April showers bring me flowers. But when the dark clouds roll in, who has the motivation to get dolled up? Here, the rainy day products you need, which are sure to help you weather the storm and make a splash in your beauty arsenal. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. So, yay. And then it does tell us on the back each of the items. So, I remember picking this one because there were a couple products in here that I really love that I actually already use. And I remember thinking it would be really nice to have like smaller travel size. And for $7, you can't beat it. So, let's dive in because I don't remember exactly what is in here. So, we have some pretty orange tissue paper. Oh, I remember a couple now. So, this is what we see. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is one of the items that I do have and love. And I'm excited to have like a smaller size to like throw in my suitcase for on the go. And it is the Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. I love this stuff. And it smells so good. Love it. Weightless formula instantly absorbs oil, reviving and volumizing day-old hair so tresses look fab and feel fresh. And it's just that simple. Y'all girls know we love us some dry shampoo. And then this was the other item, yes. Okay. So this is the Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray. Ultra Clear Black Plus White 48-hour antiperspirant and deodorant. And this is actually the deodorant I use. I love this. Goes on instantly dry for a cleaner feel and provides 48-hour protection against sweat and body odor while keeping clothes stain free. And I do like this one, and then just really any of the Degree dry spray. I just think they do feel instantly dry and fresh and cooling and relaxing, or not relaxing, but fresh. And right now I'm actually using one that's like some kind of fun scent. I don't even remember the name of it, to be honest, but I was excited to have a smaller version, like I said, to just keep in my like overnight bag or something for quick weekend trips. So yay. And then this is another great product to throw into the overnight bag. This is the Crest 3D White Brilliance Toothpaste in Vibrant Peppermint. Illuminating Complex leaves teeth dazzling white and brilliantly clean by removing up to 95% of surface stains in just 3 days. So yay. That'll go right into my bag as well. And this actually came right in time because we are going to Charleston in just a few days. So let's see. Then we have, now this I have never tried before. I mean, I've tried under eye mask, but this is from Soap and Glory. Puffy Eye Attack. Super hydrating under eye brightening hydrogel patches with Puff Ease technology. Plus cucumber fruit extract refreshes and revitalizes tired, puffy eyes. I like the packaging on this. It's different. Moisture rich under eye patches are the perfect perk me up for your peepers. Working while you rest to reduce the appearance of dark circles and under eye puffiness. So it's about 20 to 30 minutes. So yes, I probably will have a date with these tonight because I know I'm like puffy looking and tired up under there. I'm not trying to take that baggage on vacation. So yay for some under eye masks. And then this is from Bliss. This is another brand that I love and get a lot in the Target beauty boxes. That's Incredipeel. Gradually releases glycolic acid overnight to target fine lines, discoloration, and imperfections so you can wake up to smoother, brighter looking skin. Gently wipe over clean, dry skin. Do not rinse. Use nightly for best results. Spa strength glycolic resurfacing pads to smooth and brighten. Huh. Okay, so it's one pad, so it's like a one-time use, so I don't really know if you're going to see much, you know, as far as results go in one use, but maybe, and if you do, then you know it's definitely something that may need to be purchased. So, I'll give it a try. Like I said, I love Bliss products. One of their water cream moisturizers is one of my favorites. So we have one more item, and it is from Bedhead, and I do love this brand. It is kind of a foily packet, but that's okay. This is the Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream. Castor seed oil smooths hair and imparts shine, while anti-frizz properties block out humidity, keeping your silky dew and keeping your dew silky and full of life. Is it like smooth on dry hair and party on? Oh, okay. So I thought it was like a hair mask. So you apparently put this on dry hair. Oh, I'm not that big of a fan of doing anything on my hair once it is dry because I feel like it weighs it down. You must have a sense of humor to use our products. So I'm probably going to stick this to the side for a giveaway because even though I think the concept is great and I love Bedhead products, like I said, just am really funny about putting any type of cream or even like BioSilk or anything in my hair after it is dry because I feel like it weighs it down even more than it could when it's wet and you apply the products. Like I said, I honestly thought this was like a mask you would use in the shower, but apparently I didn't do my reading. But hopefully one of you guys will really enjoy this. I would love to try it because of the whole humidity thing, and especially here in North Carolina, that is an issue for sure. And I have the hair that is like outside. So Yes, but I will be putting this into a giveaway. So that was our Target April 2019. I had to think. It still doesn't seem like it's April. April 2019 beauty box. What did you guys think? I'm super pumped. I think for $7, this was totally worth it. I mean, I know I will use this without a doubt. I will use this without a doubt. We all need toothpaste. Got to keep your teeth clean and fresh and healthy. I'm excited to try this, and if it does actually, if I notice a little bit of a difference after just one use, then I probably will pick this up. And then I can always use some under eye mask because right there. Because. So just for right here, I mean, you're looking at 5 products. It was 6 products total, which I think is fantastic. I mean, you're paying a little more than $1 a piece, but y'all, I mean, let's be honest, this is worth more than that. So I do think it's a great value. Did you pick up either of the Target beauty boxes? They did now add the 3 that were in store to the online site, so you can order those as well from the website if you don't have access to a Target close by. So there actually are like 5 total for April, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, I'm super excited about this one. This is definitely my favorite. Let me know down below what you guys think. How many did you get? Which one was your favorite? I hope you have a great day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.